Hey boys and girls, today I will be investigating and writing equality statements so I can evaluate if equations are equal, because that's what equality means. That might be something good to write down. I'll know I have it when I can both write and explain equalities. So what an equality means is that you look at both sides of an equal sign right here. So I have 1 plus 1, and on the one side I have 2, and on the other side 4 divided by 2 is also 2. So are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So that means that equality is true. So for example, on this first one, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So I need to evaluate, is that true or is that false? And they are not equal, so that one is false. That equality is not true. I would then like you to pause the video at this point, do the 6 plus 1 equals 10 minus 3, and the third one, and then we'll walk through those ones together. Hopefully by this point you've had enough time to solve it. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 10 minus 3 is also 7. Is that equal? Yes, that is equal, so that one is true. And on the last one, 5 times 8 I know is 40. And does that equal 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is 30. So that is not equal, so that is false. So when you're presented with problems like this, all you need to do is solve both sides of the equal sign and see if they equal each other. The other thing you'll need to do is you'll be given a couple of different numbers, and you have to work with the numbers to figure out how to make them equal. So in this example, I'm given 3, 9, 6, and 2, and I need to figure out how I can combine those numbers to make both sides of them equal. So first I'll try some addition. Will 3 plus 9 equal 6 plus 2? Well, 3 plus 9 will give me 12, and 6 plus 2 will give me 8. But what if I know I can do something with 6 and 2 to get 12? Maybe instead of my plus sign, I could do a times. So 3 plus 9 is still 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So my equation would be 3 plus 9 equals 6 times 2 gives me 12. I can also, as I'm looking at this, I realize I could do 3 times 6 and 9 times 2, because both of those will give me 18. So there's a couple of different options there. You just need to work with the numbers to see exactly what works for you. So now it's your turn to change it up and try to see what you can do here. So I would like you to use this, pause your video, and find what equality you can write. So as I'm looking at this, I can't figure out anything I can do with the 2 and the 7 and the 3 and the 5, so I'm going to combine the 2 times the 5, which will give me 10, and the 7 plus the 3, which will also give me 10, giving me a great equality. I had to think about that a little bit, but eventually I was able to use different numbers and find a way to make them work. And you noticed I used an addition in one and a multiplication in the other, and that's totally okay. In my bring back to school problem here, I would like you to, number one, it's a two-parter. I want you to tell me, is 3 times 2 equal to 12 divided by 2? So tell me, is that true or false? And then secondly, use 2, 3, 4, and 6 to write your own equality. I'll be looking for both of those when you come back to school, so make sure you have both of them, and I'll see you in the morning.